Hello everyone, welcome to FTC, Funded Trader Capital Prop Firm. There's literally not a single prop challenge out there better than the Funded Trader Capital Challenge. The one, the only, nothing comes close. Your journey to FTC success starts here. We are proud to announce that we have TradingView integration. FTC has partnered with TradingView to create a seamless experience for our traders. You can register for a challenge and select TradeLocker as your preferred platform. As part of our commitment to continuously enhance our services and meet the evolving needs of our clients, we offer various convenient payment options. We now accept credit cards and popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, Dogecoin, DOGE, Tether, USDT, and USDC Coin, USDC. Another important update is that we've implemented significant changes to all our trading objectives. Funded Trader Capital is proud to announce that we now have no time limit challenges available with some very competitive features. No time limit challenge. Up to $2.5 million in funding, get up to 90% profit split, and weekly payouts. Get 30% off your FTC package using code 12030 at checkout. Effective today, we are increasing the maximum overall loss required for newly purchased FTC challenges from 8% to 12% maximum overall loss. And we are also reducing the minimum trading days required for newly purchased FTC challenges and their subsequent verifications from 10 trading days to just 5 trading days. Go to our website to start your funding journey. What makes us different from all the other prop firms is that we deeply care about our clients, and that's why we offer free Forex education, Zoom sessions, and our Telegram and Discord communities. And we also regularly invite industry-leading financial mentors in our platforms to come and teach you how to trade for free. And guess what? You can even invite your favorite mentor or educators to come offer their services to our community for free while we settle off the costs of learning. On top of that, we cover all your losses. It's time to level up. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Get access now to our funded account challenge and get funded up to $2.5 million at the highest level. Here's how. Pass a simple 2-step evaluation with no time limits and simpler rules. And here's the best part. Once funded, you can keep up to 90% of the profits and have the opportunity to reach an account balance of $2.5 million. Now's your time. Take the leap. Experience the unlimited opportunities with Funded Trader Capital. If you're still trying to grow a small account in 2023, you're falling behind. Funded accounts not only force you to become a better trader, but give you access to capital that would take you years to get on your own. After considering everything Funded Trader Capital has to offer, we are for sure one of the more potential proprietary trading firms in the industry. The #1 prop firm, FTC, turning your dreams into reality.